Hold up your napkins for me. YMM literally started on a napkin. My point is, if you have a napkin and an idea, you can make magic happen.
YMM is your pulse. It's your defibrillator that increases the likelihood of top-tier talent staying in Oklahoma. It's an education as a whole improving when you involve YMM into your system.
Just watching that progression from him being a medical student to being a resident and now an attending, and just watching the impact that he's made on our community and the impact that he makes on people's lives every single day is something that's been influential.
This isn't your regular after-school program. This is bigger than that. You don't see this everywhere. This is special. We're doing something special with this, and we're trying to take this out into the world.
My goal is to do global health, humanitarian aid through the Army, and then come back after I've served my time and serve my community in Tulsa.
Upon graduating with my master's this May, I plan to attend medical school in the fall and be the first person in my family not only to work in healthcare, but also be the first one in my family to become a physician. And I hope that I can give back to my community and serve the underserved communities like the one my family is from.
But YMM, what we do is so much more than just mentorship. YMM is building a pipeline. It's building a future where students have the opportunity to not just dream about the healthcare workforce, but to actually enter it.
If you could think about how impactful one student becoming a physician, a nurse, a firefighter, and they're able to go back to their community and be that change and be that spark, then we've created a movement which we're trying to do here at YMM. So just like Ian was saying,
I am YMM.
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 Met YMM, you've experienced YMM, you've had discussions with YMM. I am YMM. Are you YMM?
One last surprise. This is a proclamation from the state of Oklahoma, signed by the governor, stating that March 26th as Youth Medical Mentorship Day.